Canada Student Loan, Get Studious. Ontario Canada Student Loans suspended. The Ira Smith team is absolutely operational, and both Ira, as well as Brandon Smith, are right here for a telephone appointment, conference calls and also virtual meetings. Stay healthy and safe, everybody. Introduction. For plenty of students, the month of May generally marks the beginning of a summertime job. But now, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it might be actually challenging for them to get any kind of work. They could have already been trying for weeks to find a job without any success. The purpose of this Brandon's blog is to describe what the Canadian government is doing to help students in general, and especially those with a Canada Student Loan. Government of Canada Student Loan Program announcement. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau revealed comprehensive assistance of close to $9 billion for post-secondary students and also recent graduates. The plan was developed to give assistance to students for the financial backing they need this summer, help them proceed with their research studies in the fall, and help them get the experience they require to start their jobs. These measures consist of the Canada Emergency Student Benefit, which gives assistance to students as well as new graduates that are not eligible for the Canada Emergency Response Benefit. This benefit gives $1,250 monthly for qualified students or $1,750 each month for qualified students with dependents or disabilities. The benefit would be offered from May to August 2020. The new Canada Student Service Grant, which will help students gain useful job experience and also skills while they help their communities throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. For students that pick to do serve their community, this new program will offer as much as $5,000 for their 2020-21 education. On March 30, 2020, the Government of Canada also announced a 6-month interest-free moratorium on the repayment of any Canada student loan for all people that are in the process of paying off their student debt. To reassure the student loan borrowers, the government went on to say that all pre-authorized debits taking payments automatically out of people's accounts will stop. This will certainly provide interest and payment relief to virtually 1 million Canada student loan borrowers. This delaying payment date of September 1, 2020 ties into the same moratorium given on other types of payments for both Canadian business and individual taxpayers. Summer jobs for 2020. The federal government is developing 76,000 work for students in addition to the Canada Summer Jobs Program. These placements will be in industries that need an additional hand today or that are on the cutting edge of this pandemic. Fall 2020 to 2021 assistance for post-secondary students. Adjustments to the Canada Student Loan Program have also been done so students facing financial difficulties from COVID-19 can access and manage post-secondary education. Pending federal government authorization, the new measures will come into force on August 1, 2020, for students for a 1-year period. The Canada Student Service Grant will help those who would rather volunteer and serve their neighbours and country during this health crisis. These changes include doubling of the student grants for all eligible full-time students to up to $6,000 and for part-time students up to $3,600 in 2020-21. The Canada Student Grants for students with long-term disabilities and students with dependents will also be doubled. Widen eligibility for student financial assistance by getting rid of the expected students and spouses payments in 2020-21, given there will be struggles saving for university for next year. Boost the program by raising the maximum amount that can be provided weekly to a student in 2020-21 from $210 to $350. Extra support for First Nations, Inuit, and Métis students going after post-secondary education by giving an additional $75.2 million in 2020-21. Extend ending government graduate research scholarships and postdoctoral fellowships, and supplement existing federal research study funding, to support students and postdoctoral fellows, by supplying $291.6 million to the government approval councils. Furthermore, the government wants to boost work opportunities for graduate students and postdoctoral fellows via the National Research Council of Canada.